This learning is Le'ili Nishmas Broya Bas Chananya, Mesachas Kilayim, Perek Mishnayos. Oisis Hagardin, Oisis Hakayfsin, the labels of weavers and the labels of launderers. So they would make labels with people's names on them, and they would attach them to the clothing in order to know who they belong to. So the halacha is that if the garment's made out of linen and the label out of wool, or the reverse, so asur is mishum Kelayim, it's asur if it's Kilayim. The Mishnah continues, if someone put a needle with a thread through a garment only one way through, didn't put it back and forth, he just took it, let's say, from the top through the garment, only in one direction. So the halacha is three things. Number one, it's not considered attached for tumah. So if tumah touched the item, what is sewed to it is not tummy. Ve'ein ba mishum Kelayim, and it's not Kelayim, since it's not considered really attached. And v'hashemta b'Shabbos potter, and if someone takes them apart on Shabbos, they're potter, and it's not considered tearing something apart. The Mishnah continues that also shnei roshel atzad echad, if the person brought it that both sides are on one side, meaning that the person put the needle through the garment and then brought it back up again, so it went through twice. So then it is considered a connection, and for all three things. Number one, chibur is considered a connection for tumah. Number two, v'yesh ba mishum Kelayim, there is an isser of Kelayim in it, if one is made out of wool and one out of linen. V'hashemta b'Shabbos chayiv, and it's considered attached, and if a person tears them apart on Shabbos, they are chayiv. The Mishnah presents an opinion that argues with this. Rabbi Yehuda says, Achi Shalish, even that's not considered attached. It's only attached if the person puts the needle through once, brings it back up again, and then puts it through a third time. And the Mishnah concludes, Hasak v'hakupa mitztarfim l'kilayim. If there is wool attached to one item and linen attached to a different item, so the main thing is the items, the sak and the kupa. It's just that they have linen and wool attached to them. So if a person connects the wool and the linen, then this whole thing is considered Kelayim, including the main items, the sak and the kupa.